Ever felt limited by the typical design workflow? Stuck clicking buttons and manipulating menus, wishing there was a more automated way to create? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the unexpected world of Grasshopper, a visual programming language for Rhino 3D, and exploring the surprising potential for a text-based workflow within this graphical interface. Now hold on a second. Texting and Grasshopper? Sounds like mixing apples and spaceships, right? Traditionally, Grasshopper thrives on a visual approach. You drag and drop components, connect them with wires, and watch your 3D model come to life. But what if we told you there's a hidden layer beneath the surface, a world of code whispering behind the scenes? That's where things get interesting. Grasshopper utilizes a scripting environment that allows you to delve deeper and interact with the program on a more fundamental level. This scripting language, often C#, unlocks a whole new dimension of control. Suddenly, complex geometric manipulations become a matter of writing a few lines of code, and repetitive tasks transform into elegant functions. But here's the real kicker. Within this code lies the potential for a text-like experience. Imagine feeding instructions directly into Grasshopper, bypassing the visual components altogether. Let's say you want to design a parametric facade with a specific pattern. Wouldn't it be cool to simply type out the mathematical rules governing that pattern, rather than painstakingly connecting components? This concept isn't science fiction. With some clever workarounds and the help of external libraries, you can actually achieve a degree of text-based control within Grasshopper. Here's how it might work. Step 1. Embrace the power of string manipulation. Grasshopper offers a wealth of components dedicated to handling text data. We can use these components to parse user-defined strings, extracting numbers, operators, and other relevant information. Think of it as a translator, taking our human-readable instructions and converting them into a format Grasshopper understands. Step 2. Build the bridge. Scripting takes center stage. This is where the magic happens. We leverage C# scripting to interpret the translated text data. Within the script, we can define functions that utilize the extracted information to manipulate geometric data, generate shapes, and ultimately build your design. Step 3. Feedback loop. Refine and iterate. The beauty lies in the iterative nature of this process. We can test our text-based instructions, see the resulting geometry, and then refine the script based on the outcome. This back and forth allows for a level of precision and control that can be challenging to achieve purely through the visual interface. Limitations and the road ahead. Now, let's be clear. This is not a full-blown text-based programming environment for Grasshopper. There are limitations. For one, defining complex functionalities solely through text commands can become cumbersome. Additionally, the learning curve for scripting can be steep, especially for those unfamiliar with coding languages like C#. However, the potential is undeniable. As Grasshopper's scripting capabilities evolve and user-friendly libraries emerge, the gap between text and visual programming might shrink. Imagine a future where designers comfortably switch between visual components and text-based instructions, depending on the task at hand. So, can you truly text with Grasshopper? Not quite yet, but the seeds are sown. With a little creativity and scripting know-how, you can unlock a new level of control within this powerful design tool. The future of design workflows might be more text-friendly than we ever imagined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.